Okay folks, today we're going to show you how to install a handle set. It's actually going to be a dual process. It's going to show a normal active handle set and a dummy handle set. I already have the latches installed. Again, if you've seen any of the other videos installing deadbolt, you know that the deadbolt latch, the arrow needs to point up when it's installed. So once you have your latches installed, install your handle set. It does have a left or right function. Just simply pull out the spindle, turn it, and it locks in place, left or right handed. So we'll install the handle set here. So we're actually going to swap out the normal trim that comes with the handle set. We're going to swap it with a Tiburon trim, which is the same as the handle set, so that you can do your make it all match program. Make sure you use the screws that come with your trim, where you have the right screws. Just kind of put it on there. We'll tighten her up here in a minute. Just kind of check her out, make sure she's straight. Tighten it up. Put on our decorative cover. Comes like this in the box. You just hold this brass piece, unscrew the cap. This is in the bottom. Screw your decorative cover on, and then we're going to install the deadbolt portion. So normally with the active portion of the handle set, you will have your rosette, your ring, and your deadbolt cylinder. And you install this on the outside with the thumb turn that comes into your trim. But being we are doing a dummy handle set today, you'll have the blank thumb turn and then the blank cylinder. Now, when installing a handle set on a dummy situation, you would not have these latches in here. You would just pop the hole in the door and then put your handle set pieces on. You would not have no latches. This is where the strike plates would be for the active handle set. So we're going to take our cover, our ring, our blank deadbolt cylinder. It's going to go on the outside. It's a little hard to line up because you ain't got nothing holding it, but just work with it. You'll get your blank thumb turn, deadbolt screws. And again, like I said, you're just going to have to play with it. Just going to tighten up just a little bit. Put in our other screw here. So then let's just straighten it up a little bit, make sure it's all good. And once you do that, just tighten it up. And you have your dummy. Again, On the dummy side, there will be no latches installed. This is where your strike plates would be installed for your active handle set.